YDOC.
Dear my grandson, missing my little nigga every couple months. I heard you getting real big with all your friends making videos on the YouTube. Grandma and I were on the internet and I came across a rather rare item. A tiny AUX cord. The Google said it was the smallest of its kind. I figured you'd use it all the time. Miss you, Benny boy. Love, Grandma and Grandpa.
How am I even gonna use this?
Hey guys,
Yeah.
it's kind of quiet in here. We should play some music. Getty, pass me that aux, please.
Hey, Mom! I'm gonna go for a run real quick. I'll be right back.
Be safe. Use Grandpa's gift.
Alright, I will.
Hey, babe.
Ben?
Hello?
Why are you so close to the screen?
I don't know. I'm just using a really small aux cord right now on these headphones. Can you see me?
No, where? That's really stupid. Why is it so short?
Oh. Hold on.
I think it broke. I think I've just abused it too much.
Did you just break it? Did you just
Oh, look at this.
Get rid of this thing.
Yo, bro. Just trying to donate that real quick. Alright. Thanks, brother.